Hello and a very warm welcome to Pro Talk with Learning Minds. This is Muznali, and today the guest that I have with me is someone whose energy has no match, and I mean it. There aren't many leaders in the HR who are as upbeat, as forthcoming as this one, and it's none other than Zafreen Javed from Habib Metro Bank. She is the country head, learning and development, OD and DEI. But when you listen to her, you'll know what it really means to be out there and just very energetic. Her energy is such that she brings it to the learning and OD and DEI initiatives that she takes at HMB. So I welcome you to the show. Thank you so much, Zafreen, for accepting the invite, for coming here, taking out the time.
Thank you so much, Mizna, first of all, inviting me and for such a beautiful introduction. When you said the energy and the vibes, actually, we match.
Yeah,
That comes very naturally and organic with you without it saying anything. Yes.
Yeah. No, but you're very authentic. I've very many conversations that we've had.
Yes.
Every time, one thing that I've noticed that you're always authentic. You don't mind sharing details that many leaders tend not to do, and of course because they have their own reasons. But it's something that I personally absolutely admire about you.
Thank you so much. I think credit goes to my mentors. जिनकी journey, जो मेरी journey का part रहे हैं. I've always learned that you have to be authentic, you have to be organic, be the person you are, and that's how you always create a legacy as well. So yeah, thank you.
और बड़ी interesting सी बात है कि at this young age you are the country head. So when did you start your journey?
Now it sounds like an ancient days when I say when I started. So yeah, so I started working when I was 17 or 17 or 18, somewhere around back in ancient days, I would say. So yeah, and that's how the journey started. So in banking, obviously, that's the age I started working actually. Yeah.
लेकिन उस टाइम पे उस एज में I don't think there were many families who allow their kids readily कि भैया आप 17-18 में तो ये होता है अभी पढ़ाई कंप्लीट करो, अभी तुम कुछ नहीं करो और फोकस ऑन योर स्टडीज, ये तुम किस तरह की बैंक में क्या करना है, ये सब का तो उस वक्त कॉन्सेप्ट नहीं था. तो how did you navigate that?
So मुझे बड़ी इंटरेस्टिंग सी जर्नी है. When people say कि जी आपकी story क्या है, what challenges you had, so मुझे बड़ी हंसी आती है. So I come, we all come from a desi family household where education is something very much, doctor, engineer, you have to be, pick either of one. And in my family, I come from a background जहाँ पे सारे cousins, even your own sister, family, सब कोई doctor है, कोई engineer है, and कोई topper है class का. Yeah. And even my own sister, so we only have 1 year distance. My elder one is, I call her Baji. She's 1 साल का difference, and she was a topper. पढ़ाई में full fledged, and all that. And I remember, being a kid, I was a very unconventional kid. I used to challenge the education system back in those days. कि यार ये क्या है? ये chemistry, physics नहीं समझ आती, And I mean, we were sharing some thoughts that when that movie तारे ज़मीन पर आई थी, that kid was so relatable to me. मुझे वाकई उस time पे वो by the grade 4th grade में divisions कैसे हो रहे हैं, ये क्या हो रहा है, क्या चल रहा है स्कूल. But I was good at stage shows में वहाँ पे participate कर रहे, theaters हो गए, debates हो रही है, story writing हो रही है, sports में I was number 1. But family के लिए ये नहीं, this cannot be something considered as achievement. Right. And I remember when I told them कि I want to start working because हर किसी के अपने गोल्स डिफरेंट होते हैं. आई वांट टू बी बड़ा आदमी, ये एक गोल डिसाइडेड था. वो बड़ा आदमी क्या है, कैसे बनना है. So I had to convince my family, a lot of dialogue happened back in those days. But I think my mother, she has been always very, very supportive and understanding. So that's the fun story that started. Yes.
Yeah. So you were a little unconventional.
Yeah.
बचपन से.
Yeah, बचपन से I think. Yeah.
तो अगर टॉपर नहीं थी तो फिर क्या सोचती? what was it like for you के क्या बड़े ड्रीम्स होंगे और टॉपर नहीं है तो डॉक्टर इंजीनियर तो वैसे ही साइड पर हो गया, तो अभी करना क्या है?
यार पता है, again I always say and I say it out loud that not every kid can be a topper. We need to break that stigma, and I know a lot of kids and a lot of young people do face
Hmm.
that challenge, because I used to face a challenge a
Hmm.
lot कि
Hmm.
यार ठीक है नहीं टॉपर बन पा रहे, बट हाँ
Hmm.
एक चीज कांस्टेंट थी, वो थी कि कुछ करना है, you know,
Hmm.
that success करनी है, बड़ा आदमी बनना है. I remember
Hmm.
अभी हम जब बात भी कर रहे थे कि you know बचपन में I used to play office and I used to play this गुड़िया and that all. I used to become the boss, and all the friends and my younger sister, they used to come, you know, we used to act कि अच्छा ये एक ऑफिस का एटमॉस्फेयर बना. तो मुझे बड़ी हंसी अभी मैं आई तो मैं कि यार this is some, you know, लाइफ कहाँ से कहाँ भाई. ये तो so वो जर्नी, you know, वो सक्सेस I think it was very well defined in my head कि ठीक है कुछ करना है, you know, I have to be at my own. अपनी गाड़ी लेनी है. मुझे याद है I was I think 15 or 16. I used to love driving कि यार अपनी गाड़ी चाहिए, you know. So वो कैसे, तो वो चीज डिसाइडेड थी that success has to be something कि अपने पैरों पे खड़ा होना है. ठीक है, जरूरी नहीं डॉक्टर बनना was never my success story या being an engineer was never my. हाँ, but कुछ करना है लाइफ में. That was predefined. So I think
so you weren't scared of watching big dreams.
I think अगर डरे हुए होते तो आज यहाँ ना पहुंचते.
यहाँ
But
नहीं
हाँ,
पहुंचते.
बीच में कभी-कभी लगता था कि ऐसे, because ऐसी you know मतलब जिस एज ग्रुप से हम आते हैं, millennials and all that, so हम इतना बड़ा टैबू था ये टॉपिक डिस्कस करना कि यार बात सुने अम्मी अब्बा, हमने डॉक्टर नहीं बनना या हमने इंजीनियर नहीं बनना, हमने पे क्या बनना है. Because banking was never a concept at least at my home for females. ये तो वो भी. And interestingly, I started my journey as a telemarketing officer. That was a sales job.
Oh, okay. और ये तो बड़ी
yes.
I mean controversial job होती है for parents.
Yes. And you know, I still remember. So they were like, ये क्या है? So I you know, I had to explain them कि नहीं, you know, it's a corporate world. I'll get to learn a lot. And मुझे आज भी याद है when I had my first sales pitch, you know, phone पे, because tele sales is always on phone. And credit card used to be a thing back in those days.
Yeah.
And बड़ी पुरानी बात है तो अब, and you know मजे की बात है कि there was no base salary because it was just minimal amount and it was all commission based. अब वो parents were like ये कैसी job है, you know, कि क्या आप पूरे महीने जा रहे हो and all that. 2 months so we were on training, there was no income coming in, and then third month, you know, I had my highest paycheck and they were like कि ये कैसी अब job है भाई, ये क्या है. So literally my team leader had to call my mom and had to explain what telesales is all about, and that's how this you know pay scale works here. So wo
interesting. I mean, look at the challenges na.
Yes.
Early you started working early, and then वो भी इस तरह के थोड़े controversial you know telemarketing telesales में आपने काम किया. And then you know you very interestingly mentioned that your the head had to call and explain it to you.
Yes.
Would you like to share how people in the workplace, especially senior people, Khawateen, how they have shaped your career for you?
Mazna, I think a lot of good female leaders and male leaders, I will say both of them, because but my first mentor was a female and she's still my mentor, you know, Huma Gilani. I'm sure I'm going to share that with her. She's very happy because when I became country head, so there were very few people I called them instantly because they were part of my journey. And मुझे याद है उनकी एक एडवाइस मुझे बहुत याद है जो आज तक मैं भी अपने you know young बच्चियों को जरूर देती हूँ जो मेरी टीम में होते हैं, because I was very young when I started working, and you know in that society एक तो male dominating plus you know everyone was way older than me, and कभी point across करना है या कोई हमें strategy discuss करनी है उस time पे, so people were not never used to take me seriously कि यार इसका भी कोई point valid आ सकता है, ठीक है ये and all that. So she told me one thing, एक बहुत अच्छी advice दी थी, you know जैसे जैसे career आगे जाते जाएगा, you know और आगे जाओगे inshallah become head as well and whatever, but because females as you know as women हमारा emotional quotient is already very high, you know, because हमें अल्लाह ने ऐसा बनाया है, scientifically proven भी है ये चीज़ that we have
that we have
high, and you cannot deny that fact. But yes, we have to learn कि उसको कोपिंग मैकेनिज्म कैसे डेवलप
उसको रेगुलेट कैसे
करना है. तो मुझे उनकी एडवाइस आज भी याद है मुझे, आई ऑलवेज यूज इट, आई ऑलवेज मैं अपने ऊपर भी ये इम्प्लीमेंट करती हूँ कि व्हेनेवर यू फील लाइक यू नो आप मीटिंग में बैठे हो 4-5 मर्दों की आवाज आपसे ज्यादा चल रही है, या someone people who have a bring with a you know a more experience than you, and you're trying to put a point which is valid, which is logical at your end, and you feel like you're so much emotional, yaar log nahi sun rahe, and you want to you know cry out loud, she said कि excuse that meeting, go to the washroom, bathroom, take a break, and cry out loud, and then come back with that bang on energy. So वो जो emotional आपके जब vent out हो जाते हैं ना, then this is where you as person come out and with a stronger logical mindset, and you are able to put your points across. So I think so
beautifully explained this, that that you need to take a pause, and for women to know that you observe more than other your counterparts, people sitting in the room, seniors, and when you do that, then how to manage your emotions. Such a nice thing to say, that go and ज़्यादातर ऐसे कहा जाता है कि क्या तुम emotional हो रही हो, आ ही क्यों रहा है,
exactly.
But the fact that she said अगर आए तो जाओ जाके take a break,
exactly.
और फिर जब वापस आओ तो फिर
because
come with a clear head.
you cannot deny the fact कि कुछ चीजें आप you are wired this way, you cannot उसको आप नहीं कर सकते change, but you have to learn how to cope that thing. So
So you've been a banker, most of your career is in the banking.
All my
ये L&D में कैसे फिर आप आ गए, and how did you decide that it's something, because starting from scratch it's difficult. 10, 13, 14 years into your career, you decided to make that switch. What made you decide that you wanted to do this?
Okay, so I think interesting one. So yes, I'm a typical retail banker. People who are banker who can relate to me. I've worked in the retail side for almost 14, 15 years. Services, dealing with customers daily. That was, and I enjoyed a lot, And so you just switch tha, it was a career switch. I think 5 साल पहले ये again एक हमने adventure explore किया. And a lot of people are scared of, because life पे या career पे एक point पर आके people don't take risk as much. But I always believe that एक बड़ी famous quote है from Sheryl Sandberg's book Lean In. I'm sure I really recommend people, females to young females to please read that book. That career is like a jungle gym. अगर एक चीज नहीं हो रही है, right, left, low, back, forward, पीछे आओ, आगे बढ़ो, then you need to have your goal decided कि यहाँ जाना है. अब उसके जाने के बहुत से रास्ते हो सकते हैं. And that's what really helped me कि ठीक है यार, अगर एक चीज stagnant लग रही है, यहाँ से कुछ आगे बढ़ता हुआ नहीं दिख रहा, तो why not explore something new. And uske liye bhi I always say that one of my another mentor, a female again, I think मेरी life में female mentors बहुत अच्छे रहे हैं, बहुत अच्छे leaders रहे हैं. Hafsa Basi, I always say Hafsa boss, ठीक है. She took that chance on me and she offered me this HR learning development role. And my reaction was like, boss, क्या करना क्या होगा? What am I supposed to do? And I still remember she was like, you have worked 14, 15 years in the retail side, dealing with customer services. Why don't you come and start translate that journey to the young people, because banks में batches आते हैं, management training programs आते हैं. Why don't you come and join us and let's tell them कि banking कैसे हो सकती है in terms of service. That's how the journey started. And again, me being a unconventional person since the beginning, so I remember I introduced that fun-based learning. तो वो classroom में पढ़ाई के साथ activities हो रही हैं और वो गाने भी चल रहे हैं, music भी चल रहा है, because I always believe that learning doesn't have to be defined as a very serious topic. ठीक है, slides चल रही हैं. So I think that वो जो बचपन का वो जो एक challenge था ना,
वो I think they're both connected. वो जो तारे ज़मीन पे और
exactly.
This Zafreen brought that to the classrooms in the workplace, and which is so important. It's so important. And
I must say Muzna, लोगों ने इस चीज को बहुत appreciate किया. And I always say कि आप जब भी कोई नई चीज introduce करते हो तो your bosses has to trust you a lot, because वो confidence वहीं से ही आता है. So I'm lucky enough to have worked with such great bosses who actually gave me that liberty. Enabled है, liberty भी दिए कि ठीक है, because they put trust on you, and when you have that trust, confidence ना ultimately आपका develop होता है, and you want to do better every time because you want to make your leaders proud. And that's how I think leaders build their legacy. So
yeah. I also saw this meme, अब तो ज़माना इसी तरह से. So I saw this meme where this little cat is saying to this big cat who's the boss that thank you for trusting in me and for giving me, and so I will never disappoint you. I will fight for you. And that is how the younger lot is. I mean, if you really put your bet on them and then support them, have their back, then eventually when they grow into
Yes.
bigger roles, then they have your
Yes,
back, right?
yes, yes.
And
That
so
is so true.
this is what you're. I'm
Good.
so glad that
So true.
you were lucky enough to have supportive
Yeah,
people around you.
alhamdulillah.
But where there is a lot of support
Yeah.
and you have a very, very positive outlook towards everything,
Yeah,
you know, I've noticed
yeah,
there
alhamdulillah.
must be resistance too.
Yes.
How did you cope with that?
Again, मतलब देखो resistance हर जगह पे, चाहे personal life की हो, corporate life की, life itself, you know, you'll come across a lot of people, different type of people, and you will find a lot of challenges. ठीक है, coping mechanism खुद से develop करना होता है. You know, as I said earlier, you know, I started working at a very very young age. So my challenge was, you know, कि जब आप जिन जिन जगह में मैं थी वहाँ पे मुझसे experienced लोग बैठे थे, and you know, I respect those उनके views as well, but we need to understand that if someone is new to some, you know, industry or some working, they also have some logical reasons. You have to give them some weightages, you know. So I used to face that challenge कि यार कि I have to put something, you know. ठीक है, आपका experience शायद 10 साल पुराना है, मेरा शायद 2 साल, but I have some experience and I want to put something. So I think वो उसका best ये I've learned one thing, that you have to be a little assertive as well, you know. And I think वो चीज वो आपको develop करनी पड़ती है. So that I really, you know, again, my bosses around me, my mentors around me, they really helped me कि वो assertiveness कैसे create करने, because I think Muzna, you can generally हमारा dominating personality style is very positive,
we understand,
kind,
yeah, accommodating,
very sweet
Yeah,
nature, and
yeah.
this is my, you know, the dominating personality style would be.
Yeah.
But if needed, you have to switch to
Switch
that
to, yeah.
assertive personality,
Yeah.
because it's
Indeed.
required, and that's how you cope up to such challenges, you know, wear different hats. Okay, so yeah, I think, yeah.
So you have to be flexible in terms of how you operate,
Yes,
in the workplace.
yes,
right?
I think, and overall, यार घर पे भी
हाँ.
कभी-कभी अपनी बात मानने के लिए
Of course.
तो थोड़ा सा, I think overall
Goes
I'm
without.
life. This is how life works, I think. Yeah.
And so, would it be right if I say that, you know, if great leaders are those who put their bets on people?
Yes.
जैसे आपने बोला कि एक वो, you know, Hafsa ma'am, she called you and she gave you a role that you didn't have previously, didn't have experience for, but she bet on the person.
Yes.
And she knew that she'd be able to handle it.
Yes, yes.
So if you bet on the people and you really allow them to grow into that role, and I'm sure you must have required a lot of mentoring at that time, support at the time.
Yeah.
But now the initiatives that you've taken, the change that you're bringing to the banking sectors, learning and development, the OD side, the DEI side, is all thanks to, you know, that one decision that she made.
I definitely say, and I speak it out very loudly, that yes, it was her guidance. And you know, Mizna, I always say that life में ना ये अच्छे mentors और leaders बहुत जरूरी हैं. We need such people who can take, actually, and I always say that leadership is about taking risk. So if you are risk taker, you have to be, then you can only be a leader. You cannot play safe. And you know, एक और, you know, thanks to my current boss right now, because he took another bet on me by appointing me as head South, you know, in this current organization. You know, I want to mention Asad Ali. You know, you have met him already.
Of course.
And I remember when I met him for the first time, because I was, you know, when I met him to join this current organization, and we spoke almost for an hour about learning and development, what we can do and stuff. And that time he took bet on me. This is a bigger role, you can do it. So I think, so I think having great mentors, great leaders, something very important.
How nice is that? And what about self-confidence? Through all of this, when, you know, someone's offering you something that scares you in the moment, because you feel like you're not fully ready for it, what would you say to young professionals about self-confidence?
I think confidence बहुत जरूरी है. That needs to be there. You have to be, you know, self-sufficient enough that I can do this. हाँ, scary moments सबके आते हैं. I'm sure when I was taking up that role, I had my own, you know, second thoughts कि can I do this? Can I do? मैं ये नहीं कर सकती. But I knew कि करना तो है. Because I had my vision. मेरा एक ladder decided है कि मुझे वहां तक जाना है. तो वहां तक जाने के लिए ना efforts तो करनी है. तो self confidence तब आता है जब आप fully equipped हैं with the knowledge, ठीक है, बहुत चेंजेस आपके सराउंडिंग में हो रहे हैं, अपना नॉलेज स्केल आपने अपस्केल करना है, पढ़ें व्हाट्स हैपनिंग, यू नो व्हेन आई जॉइन लर्निंग डेवलपमेंट वाज आई हैव टू रीड अ लॉट, यू नो डिफरेंट टेक्निकल प्रोग्राम्स, अगर मैं ही अपस्किल नहीं, मुझे ही नहीं पता है तो व्हाट आई एम गोना पिच टू द अदर यू नो बिजनेस। सो आई थिंक वो जब इसका आपके पास वो नॉलेज होगी ना, कॉन्फिडेंस ऑटोमेटिकली डेवलप होगा। एंड वन थिंग आई ऑलवेज से, आई मीन टू द younger audience as well, yes, mentors, leaders, I agree, they need to be there, they need to come forward, but आप में भी वो elements होने चाहिए that people can take bet on you. So I want to talk about how important it is to have mentors and leaders in our, you know, throughout our life, because they actually shape us what we are actually. It really help us. You know, just I mentioned that transition of coming to HR, you know, that one of my mentor, one of my leader took that bet on me. And then the another, I would say, shaping of my career moment is my current boss is Asad Ali. You know, I'm going to mention his name as well, because I remember when I met him for the first time for this role, this current position's role, you know, when, you know, 3 years I think back. And when he introduced me this bigger opportunity, that was a bigger role, you know, compared to the previous one, and he took bet on me that yes, you can do it. And so I think yes,
that is
having that risk or identifying the raw diamond is also an art.
It's an art.
Yeah.
And it takes a lot of patience as a leader yourself. Now that you must be taking a lot of bets here and there.
Yes, because I've learned from the best. So yes, I do the same. And
so it takes a lot of patience.
And patience as well. And उसना एक चीज मैं एक चीज जरूर बोलूंगी कि वो हम लीडर्स की तो बात कर रहे हैं, बट एज एन इंडिविजुअल हमारे ऊपर भी बहुत ज्यादा रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है। उन्हें हम सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस वाली बात जो ला रहे हैं, that you need to really work on yourself, as people are there to take bet on you. So वो नॉलेज को करना, वो अपने ड्रीम्स डिफाइन करना, डिटरमिन्ड होना, फोकस होना, यू नो, कॉन्डक्ट पे काम करना, नया काम सीखना, that's how that people will be there to take bet on you. That's one thing very important as well.
So to the young professionals, you have to put in the work. There's no easy way out,
there's no easy way. And there's no easy way. And I always believe that if you are hardworking, if you are actually want to do something, you know, defined goals, Allah Ta'ala actually helps you and connects you with the right people as well.
तो आपके वही दरवाजे, वही रास्ते बनते
वो रास्ते बनते जाएंगे, वो लोग आपकी लाइफ में आते जाएंगे, and you need to, you know, grab that opportunity.
और बहुत सारी young professionals, especially मुझे ऐसा लगता है खवातीन स्टूडेंट्स, यू नो, यंग स्टूडेंट्स से कभी मेरा इंटरेक्शन होता है, तो दे वुड से कि अगर हमने 1 साल का गैप ले लिया, या अगर हम अभी हमने एचआर में शुरू किया और बाद में हमको उसको किसी और डिपार्टमेंट, तो हम फिर एचआर शुरू ही नहीं करते, you know, they're very stuck and they had this one linear path too. And you mentioned ke you know, Sheryl Sandberg says,
it's a career
you know,
gym.
that it's a gym, it's a gym, it's a jungle, and you have to just, you know, there's no one way to get to that career.
That is, remember, growing, you know, when we were growing up, we were told that career is like a ladder. Our ladder is a straight, na? If I'm stuck somewhere, so I cannot go up, no attached. So now career is like a jungle gym. You know, there's a lot of ways you can reach to your destination. So yes.
Indeed, and sounds fun also, jungle gym. So have fun while you're navigating
when you
your
join
career.
a gym and you have a goal कि यार weight reduce करना है, zumba कर लो, weights कर लो, strength कर लो, but you will reach your goal.
You will eventually reach your goal. How nice! But you have to have clarity of that goal. And don't worry if the goal changes. You know.
Yes.
If it changes, that's also fine.
Yes, that's also fine.
Great, wonderful. So you're this fun, nice, energetic person, right?
So
and ambitious at the same time, huh? So all of that, you have had many people support you in your career.
Yes.
Definitely there. But what about your childhood? Who supported you there? Because I bet that someone like you had someone supporting you, shaping your ambitious self. Who was that one person?
See, my role model, I would say, since my, you know, जब से मैंने होश संभाला, has always been my mother, my mom, my amma, and उनका मेरे पर बहुत ज़्यादा influence रहा है. Having that ambition in my life, goals, success, ये सब रखने में और life में क्या चाहिए, क्या clarity चाहिए, has to be my mom's, you know, की vision. And why is that so, Muzna? Because my mom got married at a very young age, and you know, when she was 20, she had 2 daughters already.
Oh,
yeah. So,
all right.
Yeah, And so we are three sisters, so she had 3 daughters, and raising 3 daughters with such a society pressure कि जी शादियां कर देनी है, ये कर देना है, वो कर देना है, how society works.
Yeah.
But she never let that come to our ways, and she made sure that we achieve in our lives that she couldn't do it. So I think वो जो ambition आया है ना लाइफ में, वो उनसे आई है, और वो स्ट्रेंथ भी उनसे आई है कि लाइफ को हैंडल कैसे करना है. So I think, yeah, the credit goes to her.
Wonderful. That's wonderful. I
Yeah.
think all the mothers, I think
Yes.
if you have not achieved what you wanted to, or you
Yes.
figured later in
Yes.
life,
Yeah.
it's not too late. Maybe
Yes.
your purpose was to brought up kids
Yes.
who have bigger dreams,
Yes,
right?
yeah.
So
And she actually helped us to dream big.
dream big.
There's
Yeah.
there's
no limit to that,
Yeah,
right?
yeah,
So
yeah,
telling
yeah.
your kids that
Yeah.
is so important. It shapes their core, their thought process.
Yes.
Lovely, Zafreen. I don't know. This is something about you. I can have another conversation and another, and that's the thing about the guests that I have on my podcast, is that I absolutely admire them for their personal journeys as well as their professional journeys, and I thank you for coming here. I would like to have another conversation with you, inshallah, soon, and I'd also want the viewers to maybe pose a few questions that they would like to know.
Sure.
And then maybe we can get you to answer them.
Sure. Anytime. And thank you so much, Muzna.
Yeah.
It was such a lovely chat. And
Thank you.
whenever we meet, we feel like कि हम बहुत पता नहीं कब से हम जानते हैं. I think that's how the positivity works.
Yeah, it does.
So yeah. Thank you so much for having me.
Thank you.
Lovely.
Always an absolute pleasure to have you.
Thank you. Likewise.
Thank you.
Thank you. Take care.
You too.